Today, we're looking at the ILIFE V5s Plus, a budget-friendly robot that offers both vacuuming and light mopping. It's designed for daily upkeep in smaller homes with hard floors. This slim device features app, voice, and remote controls. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into what the ILIFE V5s Plus can actually achieve in a real home environment. The robot excels at routine vacuuming, effectively picking up everyday dust and small crumbs on your hard flooring. Its impressively slim profile allows it to easily access and clean under many beds, sofas, and other low-clearance furniture. The mopping function is primarily for light wiping, suitable for maintenance rather than tackling significant spills or stuck-on grime. While it gets the job done, its basic navigation system means coverage is less systematic compared to more advanced LiDAR-equipped robots. This robot performs best on hard floors, reaching under furniture, but its mopping is light-duty and navigation remains quite basic. Considering its price point, let's explore the value proposition of the ILIFE V5s Plus. This robot offers a compelling combination of vacuuming and mopping capabilities at a remarkably low upfront cost. The inclusion of app, voice, and remote control options significantly enhances user convenience, a strong point for its price. Its straightforward design contributes to easy maintenance, meaning less hassle for everyday cleaning and upkeep. For those with uncomplicated floor plans seeking basic automated cleaning, this robot presents a competitive and sensible option. For its low cost, the V5s Plus offers solid dual functionality and flexible controls, making it a competitive budget choice. Before making a purchase, it's crucial to understand the potential risks and limitations. Be aware that simple navigation means the robot can struggle with cords and clutter, potentially getting stuck or missing areas. This device is not designed for deep cleaning on thicker carpets. Its suction power is best suited for hard floors and low-pile rugs. Managing the water tank and ensuring rugs are out of the way is essential, as the basic mopping system lacks advanced spill protection. ILIFE has a track record in the budget robot market, suggesting established support resources for common inquiries and issues. Users should be aware of navigation challenges, its limited carpet effectiveness, and the need for manual water tank management. The ILIFE V5s Plus delivers affordable dual-function cleaning with its slim design and versatile control options. It is recommended for smaller apartments primarily with hard floors, offering convenient daily maintenance. However, buyers should manage expectations regarding its basic navigation and light-duty mopping. If you need powerful carpet cleaning or advanced mapping, consider other options. Overall, it's a sensible budget robot for straightforward home cleaning needs.